So my package from Main Attraction came over the weekend. And when I say I could not wait to get put in this box because all her products are so good, let's dig into this box. So we got the body oil, which I can't wait to use. I got the turmeric honey body bar, which is like the oil. I mean, the body wash. So I got it in the soap form and body wash form. I got her brow and eyelash serum, which I want to give it a try. I haven't tried this yet. And then my favorite of all is her oils. When I say it grows your hair, it grows your hair. And I usually get one bottle. But I have to get the 3-pack, the 3-bundle pack for the 3-in-1 because I use this on my hair, my kids' hair. So I definitely had to try it. Oh, well, not try it. Well, get 3 bottles because it goes a long way. But it is so wonderful to use. And then I also got the Shea Butter Baby Butter for your hair, and I actually smelled it, and I used a little bit on my daughter's hair, and it made her hair so soft. Y'all, I'm telling y'all better go run and get this lady's stuff because it is great product. Black owned product, and I love her thank you cards when she put them in there. And I believe that's it. But y'all, the bio is in my link. And it's in my bio. Go get the link. It is in my bio. All her products are wonderful. I actually ordered the whole line. I ain't even gonna lie. I ordered the whole line. I'm waiting on my other box to get here because I ordered this shampoo and conditioner too. So I can't wait to use it. Y'all go check out Main Attraction.